first thing you think? I'm going to buy that new phone. I'm getting those sneakers. That one impulse is the first of 5 insane habits that are literally destroying your chance of ever building wealth. It's a secret saboteur running your life every single month. You work hard for your money, but then you look at your account and it's gone. Do you feel like you're stuck on a financial hamster wheel? You're running and running, but going nowhere. In this video, we're exposing the 5 biggest money habits that are ruining your future without you even noticing. I've been obsessed with building wealth for over a decade, and I can promise you, it's not the crazy investment stuff that holds people back. It's the small, daily habits that are the difference between financial freedom and endless stress. By the end of this video, you won't just know these habits, you'll know how to obliterate them. So do not click away, because we're starting with the sneakiest trap of all, right now. Habit number 1, the insane impulse buy. Let's jump straight into the biggest one, the impulse buy. I'm not talking about a candy bar. I'm talking about the big purchases you make without thinking that just wreck your budget. The $1,000 phone, the designer clothes you wear twice, the new car that loses half its value the second you buy it. Here's the problem. These purchases are 100% emotion. Social media and ads are designed to make you feel like you're missing out. They want you to believe happiness is just one click away. When you buy, your brain gets a short, fake high. It feels amazing for a second, but then the high is gone, and you're left with an empty bank account. The consequence? You're burning money on things that become worthless and don't get you any closer to your real goals. Even worse, this habit shoves you directly into debt because you want it now, even if you can't afford it. So how do you break this? The solution is simple, but you need discipline. The 24-hour rule. For any non-essential purchase over $50, you have to wait 24 hours. This one trick separates the emotion from the action. Ask yourself, do I really actually need this? Will this matter in a month? 99% of the time, the answer is no. Another insane trick. Never go shopping without a list and stick to it like your life depends on it. This gives you all the power back. Habit number 2, surviving paycheck to paycheck. The second habit is a killer, living paycheck to paycheck. You know exactly what this feels like. The money drops in, and by the end of the month, it's completely gone. No savings, no backup plan. You are living on the edge, where one broken down car or one sick pet can trigger a complete financial meltdown. You can't take risks, you can't switch jobs, you can't grab opportunities, because you literally can't afford to miss a single paycheck. Building wealth? Impossible. There's nothing left to build with. People think this is normal. It is not. It's a trap. The way out starts with one word: budget. A budget is not a prison. It is your map to freedom. You have to know where your money is going, every single dollar. Use an app, use a spreadsheet, I don't care. Track everything. You will be shocked how much you waste on coffee, food delivery, and subscriptions you forgot you had. Once you see where your money goes, you build an emergency fund. This is your financial life raft. Start small. Your first goal is $500, then $1,000, then 1 full month of expenses. And you automate it. Set up a transfer that moves money to savings the second your paycheck hits. This is called paying yourself first, and it's how you start winning. Habit number 3, thinking debt is normal. Let's go to habit number 3, and this one is crazy because our society pretends it's okay. Accepting debt as normal. We're told to finance everything. Credit card debt, car loans, loans for a vacation. This is a scam, especially for young people who don't see the true cost of interest. In the US, credit card interest is over 20%. That's insane. The problem is, this debt is an anchor pulling you to the bottom of the ocean. Interest is just a punishment for buying something you can't afford. At 20% interest, you pay double for things. You aren't working for yourself anymore. You're working to make banks richer. Massive debt destroys your credit score, which means you'll pay way more for important things later, like a house. You lose all your freedom. So how do you escape? The most extreme and effective method. Stop buying things on credit that go down in value. If you can't buy it with the money you have right now, you can't afford it. End of story. Use a credit card for convenience, but you must pay it off completely every single month. If you already have debt, it's time to go to war. There are two methods: the snowball, where you pay off the smallest debts first for quick wins that keep you motivated, and the avalanche, where you attack the debt with the highest interest rate first, which saves you the most money. Just pick one and start attacking it relentlessly. Consumer debt is the enemy of wealth. Quick pause. If you're getting any value from this, do me a favor and slam that subscribe button. We post videos like this all the time to give you back control of your money, and I want you to be part of this community.
Habit number 4, saving. With no goal. Habit number 4 is more subtle, but it's just as bad. You save money, but you have no idea what you're saving it for. Just saving is like getting in a car and driving with no destination. You're just drifting, and the second you get tempted, you'll spend all those savings on something completely useless. The problem here is that saving without a goal is boring. There's no motivation. Why would you skip something today for a future that's just a vague cloud? It's like collecting a pile of bricks with no plan to build a house. You will never build anything. You won't be ready for the big things, a house, your kid's future, or retiring. We know for a fact that just writing down your goals makes you massively more likely to hit them. The solution: give your money a mission. Give your goals a name and a number. Be specific. Don't say saving for a car. Say, I'm saving $5,000 for a down payment on a Honda Civic by next December. Don't say saving for retirement. Say, I'm investing $200 every month into an ETF so I can be free in 30 years. Create a separate savings account for every single goal. One for emergencies, one for a vacation, one for a house. When you see those accounts growing, it becomes a game, and you stay fired up. You can see yourself winning, and again, the cheat code is AUTOMATION. Set up transfers that automatically feed your goals. Your goals will go from a dream to a plan. Habit number 5, the head in the sand method. And that brings us to the final and most destructive habit, the ostrich strategy. You stick your head in the sand and just hope your money problems will magically fix themselves. You don't open bank statements, you're afraid to check your balance online, you have no clue what your credit score is, and the word budget makes you want to run away. Look, I get it. You're scared of what you'll find, but being ignorant isn't going to help you. It's going to destroy you. When you ignore your money, small problems secretly grow into giant monsters. Bank fees, subscription scams, debt spiraling out of control. You also miss huge opportunities like seeing where you can save money or get tax refunds. You are flying completely blind. The solution takes guts, but I promise you, it's freeing. Face the numbers. Make it a non-negotiable habit to check your finances. Once a week for 15 minutes, have a money check-in and just look at your transactions. Check your credit score. You can do it for free. Knowledge is literally power. As soon as you know what's happening, the numbers can't scare you anymore. They become a tool you can control. You go from being a victim to being the CEO of your own money. This final step, looking at your finances, is the glue that holds everything else together. So there you have it, the 5 habits that are keeping you broke. Impulse buying, living paycheck to paycheck, normalizing debt, saving without a goal, and ignoring your money. Each one of these seems small, but together they build a prison that keeps you trapped. The good news is, you now have the key to escape. And it starts right now. I have a challenge for you. Pick one of these habits, just one, and for the next 30 days, I challenge you to break it. Maybe it's the 24-hour rule. Maybe it's setting up your first automated savings transfer for just $10. Small actions create massive change. This isn't about being perfect. It's about starting. It's about being better today than you were yesterday. Take control. You deserve a future of financial freedom, not stress. This is Growth Minded. Thank you for watching. If you want to take the next step and learn how to make your money work for you, click the video right here. I show you the absolute basics of investing for beginners. See you there.